So here's an example of how the K12 and beyond tutor works. First thing I have to do is, how do I get started? I just have to click this button. So it's asking me, what should I call you, what grade I'm in, and the subject I'd like to learn today. So let's give it. So my name is Joe, comma, I'm in the 7th grade, and I want to learn algebra. And I hit enter. Okay, it says let's dive into some 7th grade algebra. We'll start with the basics and work our way up. How about we begin with a simple equation? For example, let's solve this equation. I go, oh my gosh, I don't know what to do there. So I'm going to hit the can you help me? Oh, so it's now showing me how to solve it. So that equation, I have to subtract 3 from both sides to get rid of the constant term on both sides. So takes it down to 2x equals 8. And then you have to just divide both sides by 2, and x equals 4. Oh, I get it. Let's try another one. So I couldn't click that button. Alright, so this is a little bit different. So I'm going to ask for some help again. Oh, I see. This time it's adding 5 to get rid of the minus 5. So it's now 3x equals 15. Now I just have to divide both sides by 3, and x equals 5. Ah, I get it. Alright, so let's try another one. I'm going to click that button. Alright, so this is a plus 7. 4x plus 7 equals 23. So to get rid of the 7, I'm going to go minus 7 on both sides. So 23 minus 7, oh gosh, that's going to be 16. So 4x equals 16. So I got to divide each side by 4. That means x equals 4. Alright, I'm going to try and put in a 4 and see what it says. And just hit return, or click the little thing on the side. Great job. Let's see how you got there. So it's exactly what we said, x equals 4. You got it right. So now let's try another one. Let's see if we can get another one right before we try some more complex ones. Alright, we're going to add 9 to both sides. In this case, to get rid of the minus 9, so 5x equals 25. So the next thing is to divide both sides by 5, and so x equals 5. Alright, so 5. You got it right again. Okay, that's great. Alright, let's try, can we try more complicated algebra? Two-step equation. How about solving two-step equation like 2 parentheses? Yikes. Okay, can you help me? So this one, you divide both sides by 2 first, and so that brings it down to the more simple algebra we were looking at before. So it would be x plus 3 equals 9. So now we'd have to subtract 3 from both sides, and so that means x is equal to 6. Cool, let's try another one. Okay, I can say, can you help me? This one is about the same here. I think we probably have to get rid of the 2 first, but I'll just ask it. Yep, there we go. So this is an example of how to use the tutor and how it will help as you get more experience with it. All these buttons can save you time of typing back and forth, and so it just makes it that much easier.